Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer.
Wait.
Think of it. Where do you think you're going to?
Okay, it's like I'm going to school.
See, I'm not joking with you. Why would you leave the house without dropping money for me?
I didn't drop money with you. I didn't drop money. The 250 naira I gave to you, what is it for?
Think about what can 250 naira buy in the market?
Look at you. I gave you 250 naira. You're complaining. Do you know how much my father used to give my mother? My father used to give my mother 150 naira. That I gave you 250 naira, you should be happy.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me. That was in the days of your father. Not now. Time has changed. Economy is now bad.
Okay, yes, it's because the economy is bad. That is why I gave you 250 naira. If, let me tell you, my name is Omeka. By normal, I'm supposed to give you 150, like my father used to give my mother. But because I know that the economy is bad, that is why I gave you...
Think, Kobo, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. How many men do you think can give their wife 250 naira to go to the market?
There are many men who... There are many men who give their wife 250. How many men do you even know? Let me tell you, Maureen, you have to use your sense. Be calculative, be reasonable. Adjust yourself into creative.
There's something wrong with you. There is something wrong with your brain. In fact, you're just stupid. You're useless.
Maureen, do you realize that you're talking to an officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? And as a senior officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I can sue you for husband abuse. And if I do, I will get you arrested. So don't get me angry.
You want to arrest your wife? It's not possible.
Who told you?
Think about it, not possible.
Who told you? I can arrest my mother. If you don't know. If my mother should misbehave, if my mother should go against the law, I will arrest my mother. How much more my wife? Nobody is above the law if you don't know. So don't get me angry. By the way, you see this 250 I gave you? I don't want to come into that soup and begin to look for meat. Let there be no scarcity of meat in that soup. You have to buy kanda, akwanano, tozo, obroko, azumangala, sungu, ngorobre, and some. Make sure all of them are in this soup.
All these things you mentioned, 250 naira.
You don't know how to buy it. Let me calculate it for you. Now listen. You are going to buy meat 30 naira. That meat 30 naira, okay, butozu, bo akwanano, bo shake, bo melaha kozo, roundabout. Then you buy mangala, 15 naira. When you buy mangala 15 naira, it's okuroko 10 naira. It's on robre, ndi kana abaga abago. Nam na wanga.
Think ubu ina wa.
Maureen, be creative like every other woman. Omo even na creative. Be creative for once. You should be very happy that I gave you 150. By the way, you need to give me 100 naira.
I'll give you 100 naira. Like, after all these things you mentioned, I will still give you 100 naira.
I gave you 250. Bring change, oh. Return change. Maureen, return change. And Anya, if you make noise again, I will arrest you. Adamach.
Think of a federal police officer. I throw away salute to.
Why are you coming to work late today?
Sir, it is not my fault.
Whose fault is it then?
Fault of traffic code. Sir, I don't know where they got this traffic order from. If you see this traffic order, coupled with the fact that the traffic light was malfunctioning, do you know that I woke up around 4 a.m. in order to come to the office very early? Only for me to hit the road and meet excess traffic. Traffic everywhere. I couldn't find my way out on time.
Were you the only person that came to work by road today?
Oh, yes, I see what I'm saying. So some other people came to work late. So I see. You see that I'm not the one. I'm not the only one complaining.
Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir?
Shut up your mouth. Today is the last day I'm going to tolerate your late coming to this office.
Sir,
no more late coming to this office by you.
Can the government at least assign one car to me, an official car? Because if I had a car, I wouldn't be jumping from one bus stop to another bus stop. I would get to the office very early. Let them give me one official car.
Why? You mean that government should give you a car, private car?
Exactly, sir.
Who are you in this force for you to that warrant you to demand for such a thing? In short, who are you in the society?
Sir, I as far as police force is concerned, I am an active police officer. I am a government responsibility. This thing that I'm putting on here shows that I'm government responsibility. They are supposed to take care of me. So government is supposed to give me an official car to be coming to work with early. Do you understand? So let me ask you, do you know how much I give my wife every day? Okay, you DPO, I am sure your wife drives a very good car, which means she's your responsibility. That is how also I am a government responsibility. Let them assign one car to me so that I can be coming to work very early. It's not a bad thing to ask now.
Sergeant, take over.
Sir?
Walk out of my office.
Sir?
Get out of my office!
Yes, sir.
Walk out of my office immediately!
Sure, sir.
What kind of sergeant is this? What rubbish is this? Huh? Hi! I don't know this happen. Stop sergeant!
Think of a Wabaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to. I get matter for you. A giant police officer. Think of you get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob.
Are we going to the market?
No.
Are you not going to go for your Jerry husband today?
Actually, I'm not feeling strong. So my husband said when he's coming back from work, he's going to brunch at the market and buy foodstuffs.
Oh. Have you taken drugs?
No, I've not taken my drugs. My husband said though he bought me some drugs, when I eat, I'll take them.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me rush to the market since you're not going. Let me rush to the market. Like, come back and come and see you. Just take care of yourself, okay? See you later.
Bye. It will not be well with you. It will not be well with you. Look at my fellow woman. Eh? Going to the market happily. When you're here. Hi. You come back and meet me. No, you come back and meet me. Imagine. Hi.
My British mango, my sweet potato, my Omadioko. In fact, I call you Omadioko.
Don't touch me. Jesus,
my sugar British money, my sweet mango sweet.
What kept you?
Sorry for coming late, you know. The truth of the matter is that, do you know I caught so many robbers today, well kidnapped armed robbers. If you see their arms, well equipped with all kind of ammunition. I had to force them into writing statements because some of them were doing log ahead. They were doing no. As an officer, I said no, you must write a proper statement. So that was what contributed to my coming late.
That is not enough reason for you to come late.
I'm sorry, forgive me.
When you know I'll be waiting for you.
I know. See, let me tell you, one of the plans I have for today is I am preparing a very special barbecue for you.
Bad guy! You're a bad guy!
I am telling you.
You know how to get me. You barbecue. That's why I love you.
Oh, fantastic.
My nigga. Making me feel like sweet sister.
Chai, that is what you are.
Come, let's go.
That is the case study.
Let's go.
Au revoir.
Let's go.
How are you? What do you want to buy, officer?
Which one is officer? Please don't bring my legs out.
Oh, come on. Don't you know that the wife of a criminal is also a criminal? Huh? So tell me, what do you want to buy?
I want to beg you for something.
And what is it?
I want you to give me 1 loaf of bread, Bonvita, and milk. When my husband comes back, I'll bring the money for you.
You know, I have stopped selling my goods on credit. But because it's you, I will give it to you for one good reason.
Thank you so much, Sonny. Thank you.
Hey. How did it go? You said, milk?
Yes, milk. 1 liter.
1 liter?
Yes.
Is it second or half?
Anyone you have, just, yes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't worry, I'll get the money for you once my husband comes back.
I'm expecting you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Switch off. Hey! Hey, good. Hey! Anyway, he's my husband. No, she shall happen to my husband in Jesus' name. Hey, his number is switched off. Eh? Hey, oh my God. His number is switched off. No, that's him. What is she doing?
Yeah, Maureen. Maureen, you know what is it? Why did you take the time to open the door?
And why did you sleep at home?
So is that an answer to my question? Are you using question to answer question? I said, why did you take the time to open that door, Maureen?
And I'm asking you, you have to answer my question. Why didn't you sleep at home last night?
Do you realize that you're talking to an officer, an ordained officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Do you realize the gravity of the offense you're committing? That it is tantamount to 10 years imprisonment, of which I can throw you into prison and throw away the key. Now, for the last time, let me give you this chance, because I'm not coming here to do child's play with you. Maureen, why did it take you time to open the door? Okay, you're giving me silence. Silence as an answer. Let me tell you, there is a rifle that is called double silencer. That rifle, I know that rifle, I know how to use it. So if you are playing the role of a double silencer, I know how to use it. Maureen, who are you robbing this in? I know what you want, I know what is hungering you. You're giving me position styles. I know what is hungering you, you will not get it. That's so. Mba, raise it up more.
Manu, good morning.
What did you just call me?
Mama, of course.
Me, Mama? How many times have I warned you not to call me Mama? Eh? Why can't you just call me Auntie? Oh, baby, sister. Do I look like a mother to you? Sweet 16. Eh? If I walk on the road, nobody knows I'm a mother. Stop calling me Mama.
That is none of my business. So, can you let me in? I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Don't you quit about the next time you call me Mama, fool.
Mama, just calm down.
You're still calling me Mama?
Look at Abino with bleaching cream. Eh?
Me? Okay, come and eat.
Mama, just let me,
Come. You're very stupid. Come across.
Mama, calm down.
You're still calling me Mama?
Mama.
Mama.
No.
Dude, do I really look like your mother? After all this typing, this boy still calls me mother.
I'm ready now.
You know that you're very stupid. You are very, very useless. I am going to tell DPO to send you to Sokoto or even Adamaturu.
What did I do now, officer? I asked the guy in driving license. They complete in passing paper. They complete.
Are you mad? Why didn't you ask the guy if he has a zip code?
I don't know what the zip code. You tell me now.
You don't know the zip code. Let me explain zip code to you. A police officer like you don't know what is zip code. Okay, let me tell you what is zip code. Zip code is trouser zip that has code. That when you say zip code, it go up by itself.
Okay. Madam, now waiting. Who they pursue you? Now who they pursue you?
They have just kidnapped my husband. Please help me.
You said? Kidnapped. Which road did they pass?
They headed towards the expressway, please.
Express?
Yes.
Madam, what evidence do you have that the kidnappers kidnapped your husband? We need that evidence. You have to give us evidence. Either you go to the kidnappers and collect the evidence, or you go home and give us the evidence, so that we can know that yes, kidnappers actually kidnapped your husband.
Evidence? I don't understand.
Madam, you don't say they train us well. If you don't say the thief them be winch, anywhere they go catch them.
Look at this woman. See, let me tell you, the earlier you go and get the evidence, the better. Do you think we are here for kwe? We are special. We are not just ordinary policemen. We are special anti-robbery and kidnapping squad. That is why we are here. So you need to go home now and quickly get what we asked you to bring. The evidence that kidnappers kidnapped your husband. If you don't have it at home, go and meet the kidnappers to give you evidence of kidnapping, that they kidnapped your husband, and bring it to us so that you can double bar. Otherwise, nothing.
Now I know you people are not replacement.
Your father thunder fire you. This one not get sense. Useless woman. So you didn't say Army Barracks to go and report your kidnapping case. You came to check in point with this in Mchinaka. You're mad. You are useless. Within MG, you came. You to go and attack kidnappers that are carrying AK-47. You're stupid.
But this is where this woman talk like two.
Yeah?
They tell us who they protect life and property.
You said?
Walk now.
Are you stupid? Why didn't you follow the woman to go and protect her husband when she was here? When she was leaving, why didn't you follow the woman to go and rescue her husband and you're here? Let me tell you, Copra, let me tell you, I am going to report you to DPO so that they will send you to Sambisa. Even half let them take you to some what is it called again? Where is that place they used to carry people? That bush. What is the name again? What is the name of that bush they used to carry?
I know.
You don't even know? We're in trouble. We are in trouble. You don't know, I don't know. We are in trouble. It is called Samuel Forest.
Sammy?
Some.
Oh, that's they chop people there.
Yeah, Samuel's Forest.
There,
You should have followed her to go and rescue her husband from the kidnappers.
This thing cannot be gone.
This thing is gone. This thing is knockout. This is knockout you're carrying.
This one.
Who told you, Mama? The sound of this gun is mine. That's what you be hearing.
No, I'm not going to give it.
You dey craze, you dey give it to like some brothers or kidnappers. They give it to you for just Keke and then Okada. This is not God meant for kidnappers. This is not God meant for Keke people and Okada.
When you don't give me a
Can you carry AK-57? AK-57 is even higher than the length of AK-57 is even taller than you. You don't know. AK-57 is like this. How can you carry it? You get yourself with officers on the beach.
I get to matter for you. I giant police officer, think about you get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob.
My sister, don't be in a river and allow soap to enter your eyes.
Anita, what do you want me to do?
Don't allow your husband to be stabbing you like a common maid. Because for me, my husband cannot try it with me. He can't try that nonsense. He can't.
Do you know the painful part of it? I don't know what is consuming my husband's money. If you ask me, I can tell. Just ask him for money now. He will start telling you from one story to the other. I don't know.
Are you sure your husband is not seeing someone outside?
He said,
yes.
God forbid. He will not even try it. He will not try it. I will break his head in this house. We could correct us or see something else, I beg.
My dear, there's a saying that says, any bird dancing outside, dancing in the bush, there's something beating drums for it. Yes. So be right there. Yes.
Tochukwu! Where is my money?
Which money?
Where is my money? You think I didn't see you when you entered my room? Where is my money?
Mama, I did not enter your room. So stop accusing me. Why do you like embarrassing me always?
Okay. If I look for that money and I don't find it, you will see what I'll do to you. By the way, who are you calling Mama? How many times have I warned you not to call me Mama? Are you mad?
Mama, just avoid me like plague. I'm very angry now, right now. In fact, I don't have the time. My friends are waiting for me. Look at this Manuku. You are old enough. Stop acting like you are still 16. If I calculate your age with our late grandmother own, nah, Mama, don't get me angry. Don't aggravate my anger now.
Come and fire you, useless boy.
Manuku guy.
Let me look for my own. I don't fight. Who you get out of here, idiot? Dakibia.
Grandmother.
Look at him. Idiot. You not go and look for job. Come here and stay. Shameless boy. Now I can prove I can back to you. Let me look for my money. I don't find it. Stupid boy. Look at him. Michael, where is your mother? Go and tell her I'm coming to see her. Go. Tell her I'm coming.
I get to matter for you. I giant police officer, think about you get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, game on the mobilize your men for this job, you know, girl. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, no Dikeh fata. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Mobilize your men, no Dikeh fata. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, no Osimi Sigi. Amuonye, I'm a rubber.
Just what I gave people around me from Bisa Forest was just 1 hour. I cleared it before. I'm not a brother of
Think about what baka police officer, I throw away salute to Oga. Take up and walk back. Federal police officer, I throw away salute to Oga. I get to matter for you. Talk and make I hear. I giant police officer, take over. You get to where, then they rob. Talk and make I hear. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Talk and make I hear. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, can't no dial. Mobilize your men for this job, we no go. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, Amraba.
This person is my, in fact, she is my one and only British sweet mango. If you see her, you will query. My sweet cherry, sweet British mango. Why is your face like this?
I'm not happy.
That means I'm useless. Because I cannot be alive and you will not be happy. That makes me useless. Let me tell you, I came here with a bag full of happiness. Let us go inside. Let me give it to you.
Who is this one?
Mama, good afternoon.
This is my friend, Kopra Onyajoro. In fact, he is the person that was assigned to be, accompanying me, escorting me any special assignment or anywhere I want to go. This is my one and only MT. I call her my British mango.
This old mama.
Me? You're calling sweet 16 like me, old mama? Anya go anya. If you see your mother, what would you call her? Look at me very well.
I'm seeing you.
Yes, tomato. Huh? Fresh tomato. Don't you ever try that nonsense again. Where did you even get this roadside policeman to come here and insult me?
She called me a roadside.
Look at you, button your trousers well.
But don't go that side. Oh my God. Are you not a roadside? Do you want to start contesting with her?
Is she aware?
Don't use
an officer of a federal republic of
Mr. Man, she just called you a roadside. I want to begin to call.
Are you not a roadside?
Are you not a roadside?
Have you not been?
Yes.
Don't you stand on the checking point?
Yes, I'm a roadside.
Do you sit in the office? Let me tell you, Onyajoro, respect yourself and never you ever call my British tomato, my British mango.
Tell him my name.
Such name. Who told you she's mama? Please, my love, British mango. Please,
mango.
Don't be angry. Forgive him because normally he used to have 5 minutes madness, and I'm sure the 5 minutes has begun. Especially under this kind of weather. What is going to happen is, I am a mad quencher. Let us go inside. Let me bless your life.
Don't bring this food to my house again.
This person is empty. He's not even up to the food. What is happening? What is? It's not the food.
What is that?
It's just that my brother, I did not see your advice.
Leave this food.
It's not here.
But come out now.
Maureen, you are still owing me. Eh? If I continue to give out my goods on credit, how can I replenish this shop? You want my shop to fall?
So your shop will not fall, eh? Things didn't work out the way I thought it would. Don't worry, once they pay my husband, I'll get you your money.
No, that was not what you told me the last time.
Please just pardon me. I must pay you your money. Please help me. I'm hungry. Eh? Please.
Stop deceiving me with this your fine face. This your pretty face. Eh? I'm kissing Guado.
I'll be your doctor.
Very soon. Yes, very soon. As a matter of fact, last week the Igbo sacked them. I was the person who visited the options they have and said, no, they should relax. What is the problem? Can't you do this?
I do not stage.
Are you not giving me time on when to leave my sweetheart's house? And my baby small. My baby small. I have to be on my way. I have a little meeting with the commissioner of police. You understand? The commissioner called me and begged me to come. They said, it's not. So the commissioner called me and said that he want to hold meeting. Can you imagine the commissioner calling me and said, why was she Yes. So I have a meeting. I will return again. I will show it to you very short. So I will come. You gave me my battery, Mr. Marco.
Against the battery.
You're such a beautiful girl. Maybe you don't realize how beautiful you are. You're not supposed to be going to shops and asking for things free. Your husband is not trying. But that driver, he is subjecting you to all kinds of risk. But if you can comply with me, if you can play to my, I will give you anything you want here free. You don't later on a shopper. Free.
I've heard you. I'll think about it. Let me go and cook.
Think about it fast. Don't say no. You will like it.
No problem.
Just play along with me.
No problem. I'll see you later, okay? Okay, now take care.
All right. Hey! Oh, Gene. Look at how she's shaking it. This girl is so fine. Can't wait to see her scream on my bed.
Think of a Wabaka, police officer, I throw away salute to a guy. Think of a Wabaka, federal police officer, I throw away salute to. I get matter for you. I giant police officer, think of it. You get it weird, then they rob. You get it weird, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, can't know that. Mobilize your men for this job, we no go. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, no Kaije Fata. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Mobilize your men, Kaije Fata.
We are not afraid of anything. It's Amaphrodites. Whoever, lion even, will arrest. We are not here for this is what we call police, community police. Yes, community. We are federal. Okay, federal. Yeah, we are federal that was to community. Oh, Plastimen belongs to you. Come, I am sure that this is not acid. Hey! Come here. Look at the way you just walk. You want to walk past police officers on duty. As what? Look at. Without greeting an officer, it's a crime. Okay, good officer. Hey, go. Hey, come on. You think I'm talking with you? No. I'll shoot you now. Are you mad? Come on, go.
This thing is not ordinary stick, though.
What stick that I can transform it now by AK-47? Imagine. Shoot you, Jack.
Yeah, gone. This is gone. So that allows me to use it on you.
What is the problem?
You want to know? Are you the father of this boy?
In the first trouble where you know go think that. In fact, are you the mother of this boy? Because looking at you, you look pregnant.
Yes.
Are you the mother?
Yes. And where is the mother?
No, where is the mother again? Are you? He's the mother.
Okay, where is the father?
He's pregnant. Yes, where is the father of this boy?
Okay.
I need to arrest him. Arrest him at once.
Whatever you do or say now will be used according to you now.
Arrest him. Hey! Leave that boy now. I'll use this thing now.
I'll break your hand now.
Come here. Take this boy. You are going to provide. As who? Bring the birth certificate, evidence to prove. Come on. Where's your father? Where's your father? Where's your father? Eh? He was here. He was standing here.
I don't need to say that. What are you trying to do?
I am trying. Even the hey! What? Why are you doing jump up? Why are you doing jump up? The man was standing here and the boy was with you here. What happened to the man? I don't know. The man is not a human being. You want to urinate? Why do you want to urinate? This is confusing. Where are we going to? In my life as a police officer, I'm experiencing. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. I'm done. In my life as a police officer. Where are my experience engineer for? Where are you running to? I don't even know where the spirit is. I'm ready to land. You don't. Stop doing Papa go. I want to shit now. I want to shit. I want to shit. I am not the one here. I am not the one here. I don't want my one. I told you. Take over. Okay. What is it?
If you don't kill me for this job, you don't go kill me again. You see this police work? Now here you go kill me. Huh?
Look at what you are saying.
Must you harass anybody when you see on the road?
Allow me to cool my temper first. Wait, was that man in spirit?
No, he's a human being. You know, see what happened? You know, see?
I was only doing my job.
How can you be doing your job? By harassing people.
Sir?
You say your job?
Sir?
It's your job.
Sir, no, forgive me. I was talking to him.
No, we are doing our job, sir.
No, sit down.
Sit
down.
No, we are no.
I said sit down.
No, sir, we
in fact, we must obey you. In fact, let us obey you now.
Come, make I ask you a question. Two of you who be your guy?
Him, sir. He's the senior officer
Okay. I thought you were a Christian. You were a Christian. Remember how many times you have been warning me? I'm the senior officer.
Yes, you are the senior officer. He's the senior officer.
I'm referring him. He is the senior, very close to the.
Can you be able to talk true for once? Just tell him the truth. He will not kill you. He's a man of God.
I'm the only son, brother. I'm the only son. This man is very close to DPO, sir.
Yes, I'm.
He's Oga.
Shut up your mouth! Sir. Thank you, sir. You said shut up your mouth.
The shut up, was it for me or two of us?
Come.
Is it?
What did I do today na Christmas? Any day! When I go see me on the road, stop me. Eh? I go finish with you people against of mine.
Did you hear what he said? Obey the last order.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
I just want to spare you people. Because I see more kabata. I just more.
Yes, sir.
Now
he stop you, not me stop you.
Did you hear what he said?
What did he say?
Obey the he said when
well, close your eyes.
Our Lord's prayer.
Our Father,
who art in heaven,
hallowed be thy name.
Thy kingdom come.
That will be done on earth
as it is in heaven.
Give us this day
our daily bread.
But not like this kind of daily bread.
This bread is a bond.
This one is the one that will choke us.
This bond is a bread.
Father!
If you are giving us this kind of bread, give us mineral.
Sarge, Onyadlu came here and told me how you had an encounter today with a ghost.
Okay, sir. It wasn't a small battle. Battling with a ghost. But I had to apply the measure, the training that was given to me during police training college. With the little one that I have and the one God gave to me, I combined it together to battle.
Carry out the defeat. Wonderful.
I did my best.
As a gallant policeman.
I like that.
You are really gallant.
I like that English. Gallant.
Yes.
You
are trying.
Thank you.
You are free to go. You are free to go.
Just like that. Just like that.
How do you mean? I called you to congratulate you and to thank you. It's a very, very big upliftment to the police force of this country.
And I said thank you, sir. And you said I should just go, just like that. So nothing like promotion or like upliftment of a policeman who combated, who defeated ghosts, like promoting me to IG level or commissioner level.
Don't worry, we shall see to that. Just go. Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir, this is.
I've thanked you and you have thanked me back. I can say thank you for thanking me. Go, we shall look into that. I know what you're supposed to have. I know what you're expecting.
Sir, after combating a ghost, not even promoting me to commissioner or IG.
Promoted to IG, Inspector General. Sergeant Tenkobo, don't be faster than your legs.
Sir.
Just to go, we are going to look into all these things. We are keeping records. We are keeping records. We know what we are supposed to have.
For the police.
Just go. Thank you. Thank you. We can do that. A gallant policeman. Very great.
Yeah, sir.
We have tried a lot.
Think about what back, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get matter for you. I giant police officer. Think about you get where then they rob.
You the Chris? How? No. Are you mad? How? Why did you tell DPO that ghost almost killed us?
Oh, but that was exactly what you said that happened.
Now I know that you don't have sense. The meaning of your name is rejected. Every time you like to behave like somebody who is rejected. Don't you know that if you go to, it's like you don't want promotion?
No, I don't understand. What are you saying?
It's like you don't want to be promoted.
How?
Don't you know that if you go to war and come back as a soldier, you understand? You go and tell the officer in charge that you went to war and came back alive. They will promote you.
Well, we didn't fight any war now.
What is more than fighting a ghost?
Yeah, you also fight. Look at the more. Also, we saw somebody who looked like a ghost. Not even a ghost. We ran. We did not fight any war.
You ran. And you had the effrontery to go and take DPO. And we ran.
Okay, you said the army that fought war. Are we soldiers? We are not soldiers.
What? Whether are you soldiers?
Are we soldiers?
What is the difference between police and soldier? Soldier carry gun, police will carry gun. Soldier fight to war, we fight to war. Soldier beat, we beat. What is different?
Sorry, sir.
Let me tell you, there is nothing compared to a police officer fighting a ghost. Somebody that you're not seeing, you're fighting him. That means you're a strong, you're a hero.
Let me go back and talk to DPO.
Go where?
That we fought soldier. We fought.
You want to go and tell DPO that we fought ghost, or we did not fight ghost?
No, we fought ghost.
Respect yourself. I have always told you. How? Stop behaving like somebody who is cursed.
When you say that I'm cursed, I look like somebody who is cursed before you. What is the essence of saying that an officer of the law is? Am I cursed?
My brother, now I know that you're cursed. You're not supposed to be a policeman. You are, by rights, you are supposed to be an Ogene boy. All those people that used to like Ogene. That's your profession, Ogene. Look at the way you're.
Let me go to DPO office and tell DPO you eat.
Have you eaten?
No.
Do you want beer? Respect yourself. Follow me. There is one bar. There is one bar across. Let's go.
Chidema.
You even know her. Let's go.
Think about what back, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get matter for you. I giant police officer. Think about you get where then they rob. You get where then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow no day. Conclusion, game on the mobilize your men for this job we no go. Think about the arm rubber, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, no kaije fata. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Mobilize your men, no kaije fata. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, no see me cigar. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about what back, police officer. I throw away salute to you. Think about what back, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get a matter for you. Talk and make I hear. A giant police officer, think about. He get it weird, then they rob. Talk and make I hear. He get it weird, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Talk and make I hear. Then they shoot like tomorrow no day. Come closer, can't no die.
Good morning.
Why did you just call me? You are crazy! Do I look like your mother?
Mama, you slapped me.
Yes. If you call me Mama again, I will lock you up in police cell. You are very stupid.
I'm sorry, but that doesn't warrant you to slap me now.
Yes, that is why I gave you only slap. Go and ask about me. Next time you see me, you not call me auntie or Tina baby. Am I not still young? Do I even look older than you? Eh? I'm as young as you are. Don't ever call me Mama again. Idiot. Look at her, Otondo. Yeah, you who is older. Don't punish you there, calling me Mama. Stupid girl. Try it again and see what I'll do to you. I'm not girl. Young girl like me, you're calling me Mama. Don't look at yourself in the mirror. It's my baby. Why are they calling me Mama? Am I old? No. I'm still young.
No, I can't just go like that now.
You want to follow me to my house?
No, I'm not following you. You need to, now we don't finish our work.
I don't know. It's for me to go home now, for you to go home. What is wrong?
Really want to go home?
Okay, no. I want to fly home. Which one do I want to go?
Give me my own share of the money we made.
Which money?
The road one.
No. Look at you. Imagine the way you're talking. Sometimes you talk as if you are betraying your own sense. You saw what happened today, and you're asking me to give you money. From where?
What happened?
Me, what happened?
What happened to the money? But I saw we collected some money. I have fun.
Okay, they didn't thought about the ghost that was chasing us up and down.
We collected the money.
All the money that we made, the ghost took all the whole money. I am left with nothing here. Didn't you see? Where are you going to live it?
So I was sweat today.
The ghost took it, and you saw everything that happened, and you're telling me.
That's not what I'm thinking of.
So let it be. So let me go home. Let me go home or something. Copra, why are you assessing me like that? Remember, I'm a senior officer.
You are senior. You said you lose money.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. But you know one thing, as you are going now, I'll go to DPO. If I come work now, I'll tell the DPO that we met a lot of money, but we don't need to post.
It doesn't get into that.
No, I said it should go. No, officer!
Yes.
Go home.
Scatter your legs.
Go home.
Close it back.
Okay.
It hasn't got into that. Every little thing, the thing is that true, the ghost took the money.
Took some.
I
leave some.
Officer!
Carry on. Now through to the court.
What is going to happen tomorrow? Every money that we go to them, I will share. Like you have a serious thing. Yes. No, not like it's just that the ghost took it. He took some. Or he took all. The ghost took it all. He took it. So by the time we go to work tomorrow, I'll let them.
Yeah, hope your mother there home, Abi.
Look at our face. See that this
to one tomorrow. We are going to the money we will make tomorrow.
Welcome, welcome. Students.
I wish my team was
No, that man don't even have a driver license. Don't even go there. For like 25 years, before I have been driving, no driver license.
to have up this man in our team to watch without big news. I'm telling you.
Not driving with driver's license.
So what are you saying that tomorrow will be my turn?
Yes.
So that you go with today? Yes. Tomorrow.
Now what's it? That this is what you're supposed to tell me. And not to tell me that goes to it. No, I know you have a problem.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, now tomorrow. What time are we coming tomorrow?
As early as possible. So that
6:30.
6:30.
I booze on ndị na-akpụ ụzọ.
Ndị Ọnịcha.
Ndị Ọnịcha.
Yes.
Ndị Ọnịcha ya na ndị Mkpọ.
Yes.
Okay now. Oh yeah, now tomorrow.
Who's that?
It's me, Sonny.
Sonny, what are you doing here?
I came to see you, and I brought some provisions for you.
You still come here? Do you want to implicate me? Don't you know if my husband sees you here, you're going to land me in a big problem?
Maureen, I have missed you so much. And I said, let me come and see your fine face and then give you this provision.
Sonny, you have seen my fine face, right? Okay, you can now go. Don't come here next time if you want to see me. I'll come to your shop.
Okay, I will leave. But at least accept my provisions.
Thank you. Hey, I really appreciate it. Next time if you want to see me, don't worry. Don't bother coming here.
Don't forget I love you.
Okay, no problem. You can go.
Actually, bro.
No. Don't come and implicate me.
Baby, honestly speaking, do you know that? Oh my God. It is today that I made Nigerian police force to know that I am worthy to be a leader. Based on what I performed today. I actually arrested a ghost.
You arrested a ghost?
Look at. I arrested it. That one is an understatement. Haven't you heard about? Didn't you hear about the news that is trending all over the internet?
Which news is that?
That one policeman arrested a ghost single-handedly.
You know, I hardly go out, not talk of hearing any news. So, who is that policeman that arrested the ghost?
It is this person that you're talking with. I am the person who arrested. Do you know that this ghost has been terrorizing the area for 2 years now? When they assigned me to the ghost, before you know it, I used my strategy. Wow! I arrested the ghost. In my station now, everywhere has turned into two. Everywhere scattered. Everywhere, my fellow police officers, IG, commissioners, even the president, they called me and said, "You're a great man." Do you know that before, prophets and prophetess, they used to say that, Sergeant, you're a prophet, you're a great man. I did not believe them. Until today, that I arrested the ghost. Until when I did what I did, that was when I became convinced that this man here is truly a great man.
Maybe I'm not surprised that you arrested the ghost.
You're surprised?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry yourself. By tomorrow, I'm sure from tomorrow morning, all the newspapers are going to carry the news. Then you know what I'm talking about.
Sweetheart, what about the money you promised me?
I thought I gave you some money earlier.
You gave me that one now to appease me. Just you gave me that one so I won't be angry.
Don't tell me you'll not give me sungu. Let this not be a strategy with which you will not give me sungu.
We bring the money now.
Don't worry, let us go inside. By the time we go inside, you understand, we'll strategize. Let's go inside.
I don't even know which Tochukwu is around.
Who is Tochukwu? Oh yeah, on Eto.
Bingo.
Oh yeah, bingo. What did you want Eto? That guy is Tochukwu.
I love you.
I love you too.
As long as you keep bringing money, I will take care of myself.
You're checking. You're not checking fine.
Look at the time. This man is not yet back again. Like he's spending the night again outside. What am I not doing right? What am I not doing right? God, is this the man you gave to me? Eh? What exactly is going on? I'm tired of this marriage, seriously. What did I even drop my phone?
Family. Family.
Haven't I done enough? Yeah? Haven't I've been finding you since. Yeah? Try to understand now. Let's just do small. Yeah? Okay, let me just, make attempts. What is she? Okay, just the car.
You've been doing it since. Are you not tired?
I'm not
tired.
Yeah?
I'm tired.
Okay, you're tired. I'm not tired. Let me continue. Yeah?
Okay, if you want to go, just keep it there, but I want to sleep.
It won't be fun now. How is that? Relax now. Since you're doing this, we have finished.
But I say no. I'm shouting at you.
Your waist is willing, but your mind is not dead. Okay, see, now that your waist is willing, remove your mind. Let me just let's please now.
Do small. Do small.
Just small. Yeah. You start out good.
Do small. Let me sleep. I say small. What's wrong with you?
Am I going to? It's just for you to turn so that I'm going to go.
So where did you pass the night?
I passed the night on the highway.
What do you mean you passed the night on the highway?
Okay, let me break it down for you. I slept on duty last night. I worked all night.
You worked all night and you couldn't pick my phone?
Not like I wasn't with my phone. Whenever we're on night duties like this, you don't go close to your phone. You understand? I kept my phone. I didn't know my phone was ringing. By the way, why would I see your phone and I will not pick it? I didn't see the call. Let me tell you. When you are on night duty like this, Commissioner of Police will work, but anybody with phone, they will either expel you or sanction you or one thing will happen. So we don't usually go on phone.
So why would the commissioner seize your phone on duty? What if there is emergency?
That is what you are contesting. That is what we've been contesting. As a matter of fact, me personally, I have been combating it. You understand? That look, this thing is not right, this thing is not right. But let me tell you, as I am now, I'm very much exhausted. I would want to take my bait. So please go and put water for me. And make it hot. I need it very hot because last night it was so cool. You understand? You're looking at me like you don't believe what I'm saying.
I believe so. Don't worry.
You don't do anything else tonight. Like, again, when she go. If I'm after taking my bait, you know.
Excuse me. Please, have you seen Maureen?
Maureen. Which Maureen?
Maureen, your neighbor.
Oh, yes. I saw her.
Okay. Please, if you see her, extend my regards.
Oh, I will. Any problem?
I will just ask her. Please, extend my regards. Fish.
What have I done to you? Why do you choose to maltreat me?
Hey, this girl. What wrong did I do in marrying you?
You did everything wrong in marrying me and not taking care of me. You did everything wrong. Do you know how I managed to feed in this house every day and you call yourself my husband?
Look at what you're saying. I don't take care of you. This girl, I don't take care of you. Do I know how you will manage? Were you this fair when I married you? You weren't this fair when I married you. It was with my money that you are like this. I don't even know what women of nowadays. If your husband do plenty things, you will deny your husband. By rights, you are the one who is supposed to take care of you. Because that day, during our wedding, on the wedding card, what was written on that wedding card was Maureen wet stinko, which means you are the one who is supposed to take care of me because you wedded me.
See, how did I find myself? Well, I'm not here for your talk and stories as usual. Give me money, I want to pay for my bills.
Who gave me the authority to go and take things on credit?
What kind of stupid question is that? Do you want me to die of hunger in this house?
Do you know it is a very big offense for a wife to go and take things on credit without the consent of the husband? Do you know? By now, you're not supposed to take anything on credit without the consent of your husband because it is against the law. Constitution, 1999 Constitution says that no woman should go and take things on credit without the consent of the man. Having done that, you're going to go and pay the debt you collected. I don't have anyone with you now until when I go and come back and you talk about the debt you gave. Back on the let me tell you, you see, as I'm going out now, let me not come back here and then you begin to tell me that the money that you're supposed to pay is the money that was meant for past party. That's past party. Take all. That's that's what I come back from work and I ask you what happened. He said that the money was meant for past party. That's past party. In a mistake, I'm going to take all. That's how I ask somebody.
How did I find it? How?
Take up a wabaka, federal police officer. I I throw away salute to. I get matter for you. I giant police officer, think about. You get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, game on the mobilize your men for this job, you know, girl. Think about the arm robber, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm robber. Think about mobilize your men.
Why are you unhanging my food? They're not dry yet.
Oh. Are you the one that hung these rags here? Please, take them somewhere else, okay?
I'm just respecting your old age. Do not let me insult you. Do not let me insult you.
You have already insulted me. And you pay handsomely. My friend, will you take that thing away from me? What did I do to you now? Why do you hate me so much? You're very stupid. It's like you don't love your life. I will make sure you rot in jail.
You cannot do anything to me.
Yes. But you hang the clothes.
I will hang it.
My friend, remove that thing from here. Are you mad?
Why are you so troublesome? I'm just respecting your old age. Do not let me insult you. Give me back the clothes.
You want to insult me?
Give me back.
I can see you don't love your life. You will rot in jail.
You will not do anything to me.
Take this man out of this place.
Give me back.
Come on! I will stab you. Take it away. Fool. Will you get out of here? Let me not see any clothes here again. Get out!
Do not let me insult you.
Insult me! Insult me! Let me deal with you now. Insult me! Let me deal with you. Stupid girl. Otondo. Get out!
God will judge.
Look at her. Otondo!
Sir, please, my brother is innocent. He's not a bad person at all. He's not a bad person. The allegation leveled against him was a framework.
Young lady,
Sir?
my hands are tied up. Moreover, the case is already in the courts. As far as you have said that your brother is innocent, I do not think that there is any need for you to panic. Do not panic. Did you hear me well?
Sergeant Jacob,
Yes,
why
sir.
did you why this? Why did you back to my office?
I want to see you, and this thing that I want to see you for is very important. Sister, please can you excuse us? I want to speak.
Why have you need to behave like this way? Sir, this is very wrong.
Sir, this is very important. You won't understand. It's okay, no problem.
Sergeant Jacob, drive with care.
I don't have motive.
Sorry for the distraction.
Oh my dear.
All this.
Oh, anything for you, Derry. Take care of yourself and make it sweet. Yeah, take care.
Thank you.
Wow.
How many minutes?
I have this problem. Just give me 7.
You have problem with your food?
Yes, sir.
Person 7 minutes.
No, I just want to manage it.
What do you have?
Okay, what do you want?
Okay, put the same thing, but add a little bit, and then put plantain.
Oh yeah, they should give me 7 minutes. So if I eat 7 minutes, you eat 7 minutes. If I eat 7 minutes, you eat 7 minutes. What is the evidence of seniority?
Must you bring seniority in everything, including meat? What?
My sister, please give me 1 minute.
For what? Put me 6 meat.
Well, give me 6
6
minutes.
meat now.
Please, but what do they actually mean, please?
People should talk now so that I can attend to my mother and tell her what you want. I have customers to serve.
Don't worry yourself. Give me 7 minutes and give him 1 minute.
Don't bring 1 meat here. Bring 5 meat. Let me cut 1.
Why are we negotiating your meat?
No, we are negotiating my meat now.
Hey.
How can you?
Are we bargaining your meat?
We are bargaining. You cannot. I am not asking for 6 now. I'm asking for 5.
For 5?
Yes.
Very soon you ask for 4. Eat 1 meat. That is
I
your rank.
eat 1 meat.
That's your rank. Eat 1 meat. I'm a senior sergeant. I eat 7 meat. You eat 1 meat. After all,
when they come to money now, you go cheat me. Coming to food again now, you want to cheat me.
I work harder than you work. How many times have you entered prison yard to go and bail, to go and interrogate armed robbers? Please, fast.
Sonny? Sonny?
Yes.
Sonny?
Yes.
Sonny, why were you calling me late at night yesterday?
finest. How are you doing?
That hasn't answered my question. And what gave you the impetus to send me regards through my neighbor?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. Huh?
Sonny, do you realize I'm a married woman? Do you want to scatter my peaceful marriage?
Please forgive me. I don't know what came over me.
Look,
but Maureen, I love you. I am in love with you. I just can't get over you, please. I'm losing my mind.
Sonny, let me tell you, this is the first and last time you will call my line, okay? Listen, I love my husband so much, okay? And you can't come in between us. So this is the last warning I am giving to you. Do not send regards to me through anybody, okay?
Maureen, but I just said I am sorry. Hey! How can I cope with you? Who knows what that girl must have done?
Aye, this is what I tell you. Okay. You get this thing where at the plan say if I see you, I ask you. I've been wanting to ask you that question.
I hope it's a meaningful something. If it is meaningful, you can ask.
I should go ahead and ask you. Hope you'll not be angry.
Are you trying to say that what you want to ask is not meaningful?
No! I just need your permission.
This one that you're first of all apologizing.
That old woman, what are you doing with that your old woman? What you're thinking? That old fetish woman.
Onyaji, which old woman?
No, now.
Point of correction. That woman is not an old woman. That woman you call an old woman is the love of my life. In fact, that woman is the reason I breathe. Don't you ever in your life call her an old woman again. Are you mad?
And in that case, what happened to your purity and young wife?
Come on, Onyajo. Let it not be that you are starting. You are now looking into my wife's thing. Have you started eyeing my wife? Because I don't know why you are talking about it. In fact, let me tell you. I don't want us to discuss this topic with you. Let's close this topic.
Well, I think I want one question. Are you still sleeping in your house?
Oyagi, do you know that you have committed a very big offense now? By asking a senior officer like me if I still sleep in my house.
Well, I said I hope you will not be angry.
Do you know that I can report you to the DPO now and they will send you to Sambisa Forest?
That I did what?
Send you to Zamfara.
Not me.
For looking into an officer's wife. What is your business whether I sleep in my house or not?
I swear to God, I don't have any business with you. Why are you calling this as allegation? Do I have anything to do with my wife?
Anyway, I am going to pardon you now because forgive us all our sins as we have forgiven those who trespass against us. Let me forgive you your sins now. But next time you have to be very careful.
Let me enjoy my cold water in peace. I'm only concerned as a friend.
Bring me one carton of one bag.
Bring half cold water, half bag. Sorry, make Oga. Wait, Oga won't make the other. Sorry, I'm just a junior officer.
Are you doing overheat?
No, sir.
Is your temperature rising?
No, sir.
Is your radiator open?
No, sir.
Why are you demanding for half bag of pure water?
Because we are going back to our station. Sorry, our taking point. Sun is too much. Okay, make it 1 carton of life beer. I thought
from which month? All the time we are on that road, how much do you make? That you are requesting for 1 carton of life. Don't you have life? 1 carton is how much?
1 carton is how much?
They say 2-3. And we have 950 naira. And you are requesting for 1 carton.
Everybody should just leave me alone. Leave me alone! Which kind of rubbish is this one?
What is everybody leave you alone? I don't understand. Am I included?
Anita, listen. Can we talk some other time? As you can see, you see me go. My head is filled up, okay? Later we'll talk, please.
What's wrong with that? Maureen!
Pengo, pengo. 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 You see, I want you to deal with that girl so that she will know I have a son.
Mama, all I need is the truth. Simple. Tell me the truth.
Point of correction, Auntie.
Okay, Auntie. Are you saying that a girl in this year gave you a slap?
I cannot lie to you. I am your mother.
Point of correction. Are you not Auntie or Tina baby again?
Whatever.
Alright. So, but before I deal with that girl, I have to do proper investigation.
Are you okay? What nonsense investigation? Your mother told you a nobody, a stupid girl in this compound slapped her and you want to do investigation. Tochku, sometimes I wonder if I actually gave birth to you. Tochku, I carried you in my womb for 9 months. I breastfed you. Why are you so stupid?
Me too. Sometimes I begin to think if truly you are my mother. Because no woman on earth that will tell her son not to call her mama. Ah!
Leave this place. Just get out.
Like I said before I deal with that girl, I must do proper investigation.
I used to stand here.
Mama, leave me alone.
No, go that way. Out. Useless boy. Stupid boy.
Manuku.
Investigation. You are a fool. Somebody insulted your mother and you want to do investigation. Me. Tina baby. Oh. Tochko, are you really my son?
Sure, sir.
Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir?
You said you have something to tell me.
Yes, sir.
I'm all ears.
Okay, sir. Sir, what I have to tell you is concerning the Commissioner of Police. Tell the Commissioner of Police that I want to see him. In fact, tell him to come and see me at once. Very important.
That I should tell the Commissioner of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that you want to see him. Is that right?
Sir, he has no choice. He has no choice to see me if he loves his life.
Hi. Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir?
You said you have something to tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, what I want to tell you is that your bribery and corruption is becoming too much in this police station. Just the other day, we came back from roadblock. We collected everything that we made without giving us shish. We went home empty-handed. The Lord said I should tell you that He's going to punish you free of charge without mercy.
Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir?
Are you okay at all?
Very okay, sir.
Will you walk out of my office?
One more thing, sir. Sir, the Lord said I should tell you is either He promotes me or He deals with you mercilessly. Choose one.
Sergeant Tenkobo, can you walk out of my office? Sure. Walk out of my office.
Sure, sir.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Your mother.
Yes.
Yesterday, when I came outside to take my broom to sweep my house, I just went outside and then I saw your mom hanging my clothes, throwing them on the ground. And you know the worst part? My clothes was not even dry. She just dirtied my clothes, as in everything was just scattered on the ground. And then when I said, let me comfort her, and I said that, Ma, why are you hanging my clothes now? Did you not think that it's not dry? Before you know, she started hitting me. Saying all kind of nasty words to me, making troubles with me.
Did you by any means slap her?
No. Oh, I wish I did so. I wish. But no, I did not. I did not because I respect her old age. She's an elderly woman. I just respect her because of that. Besides, she was the one hitting me. Yes. She hit me. She hit me.
My mother is a troublemaker.
You don't even know what happened. The other day, I was just coming back from work. I saw your mom in the house. Let me greet her and I greeted her. Mama T, good morning. Mama T, good morning. She did not even answer my greeting. She just came to me and gave me a surprise slap in my face. In my face.
See, my mother is a troublemaker. Huh?
We all know that, but we know.
Just, I want you to do me a favor. Hmm?
What favor?
Please, you see my mother. Avoid her like plague. Whenever you see my mother, if she's coming from right, follow left. If she's coming from left, follow right.
You don't even need to tell me twice.
When she comes back, I will caution her.
You have to. Because as it stands, she's already pissing me off. She don't already make me vex finish. You understand?
Problem.
See, if she comes with her problem, I'm avoiding her. I'm avoiding her. But the next time she will come and make trouble with me again, I'll give her ×2.
Don't worry, just avoid her like plague.
I'm avoiding her. No, I'm avoiding her.
Even me, her son is also avoiding her. Why would that woman is trouble herself? Troublemaker. God forbid. In my next life, I cannot have her as my. I will be.
I'm heading to somewhere, officer. Somewhere. Officer of the law! Wait now! First now! Office never reach like that.
Where your driving license?
I'm not with any paper, officer of the law.
You don't go with your paper? Okay. Where your back paper?
I say I don't have any paper with me, officer of the law.
Wait, excuse me.
Wait, in officer, wait. You see this bike here is up to 7 years.
You don't carry your first paper now. Officer!
Huh?
See this guy, you know, show me in past paper.
What is going on there?
Give me paper, no.
Come here. Come here.
Keep at here.
Officer of the law.
What is going on?
Can I make you show me a passing paper? You don't agree.
You don't agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Officer of the law.
Okay. He asked you to give him papers. You refused.
No, this bike here is up to 7 years.
Come, let me even
I
ask
can't locate where the paper is now.
Let me even ask you. What is this? Is this motorcycle, machine or bike?
It's bike.
Bike. Not even motorcycle. Oyibo man that built this thing called it motorcycle. Now you've driven away the motorcycle in it. Now it is remaining bike. From what I am seeing here is a death trap. How many people have you killed with this death trap?
I'm a living human being now. Do you see me? I'm dead.
I am not talking about you being a living human being or non-living thing. I'm talking about the thing you call the bike that looks like a death trap.
I'm the one that is driving this.
Let me tell you, for calling this thing bike, Oyibo man built it and called it a motorcycle. You called it a bike. That's an offense number 3. You're going to jail for it. Officer, take him to station.
Hey, officer. Wait. Officer, wait now. Officer, wait. Wait. Officer.
You dey go station? No.
Officer, wait. Take this, officer.
Give me that new one.
That officer now we will.
This is days today for son. Move that, move.
Take your bike and go. You said? You said? Your father and your mother. Let me see that money. Nonsense. Your person with a bike. Not even motorcycle. Hey! Stop there! Stop there! You remove that! I should do that!
Is this a terrible nightmare or what?
Wait. Imagine what you did now. I impregnated that was this sweet loss. This sweet loss now of the state. There's something to talk. I have a mission to accomplish. I need to go back to my city in order to get these sweet loss. Arrest them, kill them and arrest their cops. I said I these hoodlums must not escape. I need to catch them. In fact, I need to kill them and arrest their cops. So they allow me to go back to my shop.
It's just 5 minutes. Thank you.
I will shoot you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will shoot you. I will shoot you. I will shoot you now. And why are you looking at me like that? Yeah? Why are you looking at me as if you forgot something on my head?
I don't think you don't think. You don't think. I don't know if you even think about this marriage. I don't know. I don't really understand you. Don't worry. When you come back, I'll go back to your father's house.
You say? You go back to your father's house? You are taking a risk. You are about to play with the risk. Before I come back from work, you must have gone to your father's house. A very big risk. Because if I come back here and I did not see you, I will arrest you. I will arrest your family. Don't forget that I still have the marriage certificate with me. And remember the oath you took. The vow you made was the vow for better, for worse. So if I come back here and I did not see you, I will arrest you. I will arrest your family. I will arrest anybody that is connected to you. So use your senses.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Do you even think? Ever since we got married, then Kobo, we don't have a child of our own.
And whose fault?
It's your fault.
My fault?
Then Kobo, it's your fault. Eh? Now tell me, when last did you give me money for food? Then Kobo, when last did you take care of me? When last did you give me money for my hair? Apart from this one I've been carrying for a month now. Answer that question.
It is now that I have confirmed that you are ungrateful. All the money that I've been giving to you, what have you been doing? Let me tell you, Maureen. Maureen, you need to be very, very wise. Use your sense like every other woman.
Then you ask yourself.
All the money that I give to you, what do you do with it?
Ask yourself. Ask yourself how much you give to me every day for food.
I give you 250 naira.
Hey!
Maureen, I give you 250 naira, which is very judicious. If the 250 naira that I used to give you, if you had been saving 100 naira, times it by 30 days, how much it will give you? It will have been enough for you to set up a little trade and get this small money. You are here talking nonsense.
Think about why are you shameless?
Yeah?
Think about why are you shameless? Do you know the painful part of it? If you're talking, you don't listen to yourself.
I'm not mad.
You're working.
I'm not mad. How can I be talking and be listening to myself? Am I talking to myself? I am talking to you, so you are supposed to be the one listening, not the other way around. Anybody that talks and listens to himself or herself, the person is mad.
You're not saying anything reasonable.
Me?
You're not saying anything reasonable. Then couple.
But then, that I said that the 250 naira that I used to give you, if you had been saving 100 naira, you would have made enough money to start up a trade. You're saying I'm not making sense. Owashi, I don't have anything to tell you. What I will tell you is, I am going to work. By the time I come back from work and I did not find you here, you've landed yourself, your family, and everybody that is connected to you.
Nothing, because I am sick and tired of this marriage.
Jail is smelling.
Don't care.
Jail is smelling on your nose now. You're perceiving jail. You will soon touch there. You will see enter jail. You will jail like, hey, I bet.
Where he get?
Maureen, I will not do anything. Let me come back and I did not find you. Then you will know who I am. I have dealt with the hardened criminals. Who are you? You are not, I have dealt with the hardened criminals, Sambisa Forest, Boko Haram, they are under my feet. So you are not ready for me to deal with. Nonsense. Come on, go now. Yeah, if you make me go late to work today, if I go late, my studio office, I need you ask me why did I come late. I want my work. If I come back here, I will arrest you.
Yeah, all the armed robbers. No, don't mind them. Now when they come for making noise, you see them. Look at Shepherd said, all the armed robbers in this area, let them come outside. If I don't kill somebody, let them come in number. Because of all these stubborn drivers. Okay. Officer, how are you? Are you asking me how are you under this one? Can't you see that this one is hot? Officer, how are you?
And the man is using AC.
I am telling you.
He's using AC.
Look at the AC is even chilly. He's asking me how are you?
This man is very wicked. And the officers of the law is under heavy sun. You are using AC and having the effrontery to ask how are you.
A very heartless human being.
I know.
My friend, I don't know why black people like you are unnecessarily stubborn. Come down from this motor before I force you to find that. Come down,
Mr. Man, you look like a suspect. Or you come down.
Officer, please, I'm not a suspect. Don't repeat that comment.
Let me tell you, I am not here to play with you. If you don't want to respect yourself and come down from this motor, I am going to bring you down forcefully. Irania? Okay, you don't want to come down. Cobra, come and bring this man. Force him down out of this car.
Don't worry, don't stress yourself. I'm going to come down.
Come down.
I'm going to
look at.
What did they take your time before?
You think we are here for child?
Imagine,
I'm going to come down.
Very wicked.
Yourself, okay?
You are very wicked. Using AC and the officers of the law is under the sun. And you are using AC and you have the effrontery. What kind of come and tell us?
Asking me how are you? Look at this man. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
How are you? I hope you've eaten. How is everybody? Your wife, your children?
And where are you the one inside?
You're unborn.
No, you see that is inside.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
No, the thing is that
I hope you to come down.
Sir. No, it's a lie. Right? Sir, when I said come down, is that this song we used to sing when we are. The song says, "Oh Lord, come down and manifest your power. Oh Lord, come down." That's what I didn't mean that you should come down. Well, who asked you? I don't even know who asked you to come down.
No, I'm not an army officer. That's how you guys just embarrass me and molest me. Right?
No, for what can we? Sir, as a matter of fact, some boys, like 2 days ago, even 4 hours ago, they fought having to harassing people here. Yes. So where anybody is a suspect, sir. Yes, he said nothing. Yeah. He didn't say you are a suspect. He said everybody is a suspect, including we. If you are in our shoes, sir, you will stop us. You will hear it. We said everybody. So when we say come down, it means come down and manifest your power. Oh Lord, come down.
So, assuming I'm not an army officer, that is how you guys molest me, right?
Who will molest you? I will. Some boys that are terrorizing this place.
No,
come back here.
Sir, we are preacher men. What we are preaching, this is how we preach. He said, some boys. Was that the book of Malachi? Was that the one that Bible says?
Yes. Gentlemen, come back here.
He said it should come back. Take a ball. Take a ball. Who asked this man to come down, sir? I do not ask you. Sorry, sir. So let me
take this slap of the place from me.
Who asked this man? Who asked this?
My dear, stop it. No man worth tears for. Okay? You just give yourself a break. Please.
What have I done? Why is he maltreating me this way? What have I done to him?
You've done nothing to him.
If this is how marriage is, then my mother lied to me. She did. Because I am not enjoying this marriage a bit at a time. I am not.
My dear, your mother did not deceive you. Marriage is the sweetest union one can find him or herself in. Please.
Does it mean I got married to the wrong person?
I can't attest to that.
But that's what it is. With all indications. Because I am not enjoying this marriage anymore. I am not.
My dear, just calm down. You will enjoy the marriage soon. Your husband will change. I believe so.
Change, you say? Change? I doubt it, Anita. I doubt it.
Why not try going to the station?
So how do I go about it?
Go straight to the police station where he served me. Go to the PO's office and report him.
Just like that? Are you sure they will listen to me?
Yes, the DPO will listen to you. But in case you can't go alone, you can go with any of his friends. Do you know any of his closest friends?
Yes, I do. Onyajulu is his best friend. I think I'll go to him.
Good.
Oh my landlord. How are you?
Hey, Nah. How are you?
Who is Anna? What have you come to do here?
Sometimes I wonder how people like this. Is there a way of greeting or what?
Me.
Anyway, is your mother in?
Me greet you. God forbid. You better leave here before I change them for you. I'm angry.
You angry? You better change it. What can your change do? Anyway, I have to pardon you because you are the son of somebody that I value so much. Otherwise, I would have arrested you for talking to an officer of the law in that manner. I'm even talking even for him. Okay, offense number 2 in the constitution of Nigerian police. I would have arrested you and thrown you into prison and thrown away the key. But let me pardon you because you are the son of somebody that I value so much. Anyway, let me ignore your business. Oh, my British mango, my sweet empty.
I know no other person can call me like that. Welcome.
Anyway, I am very, very sure that Moses used the staff to divide the sea. Your boy here used his leg to divide the sea.
Don't mind.
It's an ocean divider.
Don't mind.
But it's okay,
Come. You said you wanted to go and see your friend. And you can go and come back anytime.
Is it anytime you like or anytime you want?
Okay, anytime I want. Don't you pull?
It's alright. Can't happen also use this one. Even if it is kuli kuli. You use it and buy kuli kuli.
Yes.
You understand? Are you sure this is your son?
Don't mind him.
Hasn't started taking weed.
It's okay.
It's okay. Are you sure?
Yes, don't mind. Just enjoy yourself. Take your time. If you are.
Why is he not wearing shirt?
I don't mind him. Let's go.
I hope you won't come back.
Don't mind him. Yeah, just don't mind him. Hey, I love.
So this is how I've been suffering in the hands of my husband, your friend and colleague.
Now, wow. I can't believe what I'm hearing right now. How? How can you? In fact, let me tell you the truth. You didn't deserve such ill treatment from that my friend. Your husband is my good friend. No, I don't like. If I see himself, I will tell him. Oh, it's not good.
Please, I want a favor from you.
Whatever that favor is, just go ahead, mention whatever you want me to do, and I promise you, I will do it.
Okay, I want you to lead me to the DPO's office. I want to report it to him.
I didn't hear you well. What did you say?
To the DPU's office.
I should take you to our Oga, overall Oga. Do you know what that means? The implication of what you are trying to do. Let me tell you, only setting your eyes in that office and just say, Pim, your husband will be sacked from police job.
But I heard he won't be sacked. They will only split his salary into two and I will have one and one for him.
Whoever that gave you that stupid information just want to damage your family. And I believe that man has another intention behind this your case. You should be very careful, though. Don't worry, let me tell you. For the sake, I'm not doing it for any other thing, but I'm doing it for the sake of our childhood friendship. In as much as I'm the boss, I'm your husband's superior officer. You understand? You know? I'm the superior officer. But I will, let me say now, because of our friendship, whatever you need, you want, mention it and I will take care of it for the sake of our friendship. You know, I just you are young, you know, beautiful. Look at you.
But
Your case has been settled, discharged and acquitted. Have you eaten? Oh, you should. Let me tell you, I think I still have. Okay, I have up to 10,000 here, but let me just buy small food and take it.
Thank you.
I don't know what is wrong with that, my friend. He's supposed to be taking good care of you. You are not smiling. Are you not happy? Don't go to DPO.
My love, why is your face like this?
My landlord was here this afternoon.
What for?
I have not paid the rent. My house rent.
So have you given him?
Daddy, why are you talking like this? You know your baby's broke. Just give me money to pay him. To avoid public assault.
Public assault? Your landlord give you public assault? Is he mad? When I'm alive, if he tries any public assault on you, I will arrest him, jail him and throw away the key. I will arrest him forever.
Ha, sweetie, my landlord is not just an ordinary man, no. He's a retired soldier. Yes.
Honey?
He's a retired soldier. Yes, and not just that. The two sons are in US Army. Then the other one is a major in Nigerian Army.
Only him?
Yes. I'm just telling you.
Your landlord should have turned his house into his own personal barracks. By the way, how much is the money?
150,000 for 1 year, but I want to pay for 2 years. That is 300,000.
That is not even up to my salary. My salary is not up to that.
You can do it.
It's alright, don't worry yourself. Even if my salary is not up to that, I'm going to do it for you. I'll collect my salary by Monday. Okay. So by Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll bring the money for you. But see, what I'm going to pay is 1 year. You know I have a wife at home, so I need to take care of home responsibility. So I'll pay for 1 year.
Okay, you know this life. You chop, I chop.
Meaning it is my turn to chop.
You want chop.
Always strong. With you, I want to chop always.
Stop.
Let us go inside.
Stop me, I'll not go inside today.
How are you? You are looking happy today. Anyway, after today's work, I decided to come and see you and know how you felt.
Thank you. My husband did not sleep at home last night. And when I asked him, he told me one of his usual stories. Okay. So tell me, he said he went to night duty or so. Is it true?
Okay. Oh yeah. Actually, yes. He did not lie to you, even including me.
Are you sure?
No, we worked last night. But this morning, I said, let me just come and see how you are faring. No, he didn't lie to you this time around. Or tomorrow, mama. Hey, I always like to see you smiling and being happy, you know? Have you eaten?
Yes, I have something to eat.
You have something or you have taken something
I have something
to eat?
Yes.
But are you in any way planning to cook something very special? You know what I mean?
Yes.
By the way, what is working you? Is it battery? I'm here to make you happy. Hey, are you with me? No, don't worry, I want to shock you. Hey, after the death of my lovely wife. Anyway, I don't need to count it. I don't need to take it. You have to take the money, collect the money, take the money.
Sorry.
You are welcome. Hey,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
I think I will be on my way now.
Okay.
I should be on my way.
You take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me be on my way.
Okay.
I want to start going.
Thank you. Take care of yourself.
I should start going.
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Don't mention.
Okay, bye.
Let me take my leave.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going.
Why is my mother disgracing me? She's too old for the kind of life she's living. No, this nonsense must. She must.
Yeah, have fun. This one will just be and they give yourself. Let's see the happen.
Tura, issue dey, but na family issue. Family matter.
Calm down, tell me what you do. What's up?
Na my maleo.
What did she do?
I'm gonna dey fuck up, but I suppose treat her fuck up 2 times. I go treat am.
See, man, tell you something. You see matter like this. Her brain will tell you.
Pick up, action.
You see matter like this, my brain will tell you. Because if you use violence like this, if you go do it, you go regret for your life. So you calm down, tell me what happened. You know I want to go.
See my Mario, get mine. They run things with one useless policeman. If you see this policeman, you go spit on him. This man, but that one, I go butcher that, as in, I go tell and say that person get.
Calm down. You know say anyhow really my family. Me your babe too, I do. So we'll think this thing, who know I want to go arrange the policeman. You have to shut am down or still slap 10 years come up for your life. Who know I want to run.
No, you know me, trust me now. I go fuck that policeman. Or
worry,
I go tell and say that person get rapper we go dey chop. I go tell am. No know me.
I do.
You say man, look at. Just dey tarnish my family image like that.
You don't see this.
Now that you know the way that they think now. They think, I want me my family separate.
Please. You know, forget about the fact that quarrel always on this. You still remember my best friend and nothing can change.
You know, when you start giving me all this unnecessary praises, I feel uncomfortable. Can you just come out plain and tell me what it is?
Okay, please. The thing is that can you lend me your salad?
Sir?
Can you lend me your salad as senior officer?
As when I give you, I collect.
Yes, lend me your salary for. I have a very important problem that I want to solve for the salary. A very, very heavy problem that I need to solve. So I want you to help me as your friend.
Wait, you want to use my own to solve your own problem?
Yes, this problem that I'm talking about is a problem, is matter of life and death. Do you understand? So I am asking you to borrow me your this thing so that I can.
But you know they have not paid us now.
Yes, I know they have not paid us. I am talking if in case they pay us, don't touch your salary, don't remove 1 naira from it. so they can give it to me for me to use it and solve this problem that I have.
Look at the way you are giving me order.
No, it's not order. It's a request.
But it's not an order.
No, it's not an order.
Then in that case, I will not do it now.
Okay, I should put it as an order.
If you are my senior officer, okay. The only thing I should carry out is an order. Okay. So you said it is not an order for me to give you my salary.
Okay, now I'm ordering you now to give me your salary.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Are you ordering me to give you my salary forcefully?
I don't understand again. I use please. He said no. I use order. He said no. Which one? Should I use tax force? Okay, I'm tax forcing you now to.
But that's not how to beg. Now you should lower your voice down and then beg. Ask me to give you and help you, not by giving me another. Are you giving me another? What happened to your own salary?
Please, can we go to mortuary so I will be in the mortuary ground and tell you to give me on my desk?
Officer, senior officer Tenkobo. I cannot do that, sir. See, that's coming. This is my incoming salary. I have budgeted what I want to do with it.
Don't worry yourself. Let me just solve this problem of mine. Your own problem, you can solve it some other time. But this salary now that they are giving you, give it to me. Let me use it and solve this problem. It's a matter of life and death. So your own problem now, keep it pending. The next salary, you will use the salary.
It's not good for somebody to be selfish. You are protecting your own life, and they want me to lose my own. What if something happens to me now?
You don't have a life. Huh?
Sir?
Okay, sorry.
In my own money?
No. I mean to say that
I will not do it.
No, I mean to say that you don't have a life that is dying. But this one, I have a life that is going, almost gone. So please.
So you want to use the money to save somebody's life?
Yes.
Can you pencil down with me and endorse that if I give you my 1 month, you give me your 2 months? Will you do it? Yes or no? Will you do it? In that case, you are not ready. I want to go. Should I go?
Relax yourself. Relax.
Yes, come in. Come in.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Sergeant Tenkobo.
Sir.
What can I do for you?
So I have to save your life now.
Whose life are you talking about?
My wife. My wife was rushed to the hospital. The doctor said that they are going to operate her. So the amount of money the doctor is mentioning is what I cannot bring.
How much is the amount of money?
So the doctor said I should bring 350,000 naira, which my 6 months salary is not even up to 350,000.
You mean to tell me that since you started serving as a policeman of this Nigeria, you have not been able to save 350,000 naira?
Sir, I'm working in Nigeria. So the thing is that I have a building project that I'm doing running in my village. So it's taking a lot of this thing from me. So that is where my money is going. Go on, Reverend, go. Are you not there to what you get to me? You want to do so?
Sergeant Tenko.
Sir?
What do you want me to do for you?
Sir, I want you to lend me 100,000 naira. Just 100,000 naira. Let me add to what I have and my salary to come so that I can be able to. God, you are there watching me.
I said it will be okay.
You want that to die?
I'm going to give you 100,000 naira.
Sir?
Huh?
God bless you, sir.
Yes, I'm going to give you 100,000.
God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
It's alright.
God will run you stupidly.
Go and sign out.
Sir?
Go and sign out.
Sure, sir.
I
said God is going to reward you abundantly and stupidly. In Jesus' name. Thank you very much, sir. Correct. Sir, you're the next IG. After me.
I want us to talk like a mother to son. Mama, I want you to tell me the truth. I want to know what is going on between you and that policeman.
What type of stupid question is that?
Huh? Mama, let me ask you. What joy do you benefit from messing around with men? Yes. That's cool.
So, I am now messing around with men. I am not messing around with men. The food you eat day and night, how do you think I get them? Oh, you think your father sends me money from the grave? Is that what you think? Tochku, don't just get me angry this afternoon. Don't.
Mama, don't use food as an excuse to misbehave. Yes, there are other widows out there who are surviving without sleeping with men. You are telling me that the food I eat, the clothes I wear. Don't use it as an excuse. Yes, this way will not lead you to anywhere. It's not the best way. Let's call a spade a spade. Look at me. I can no longer stand before my mates. No, I'm not happy.
I can see you are out to insult me this afternoon. Yes. So I am messing around. God knows that whatever I do is to put food on the table. So I should not use food as an excuse. Other widows out there, but their sons are helping them. Either they engage in this business or the other to support the home. Look at you. When I sent you to the city to go and learn a trade, you came back. If you had learnt that trade, by now you will be supporting me. You won't stand here and be telling me that I am messing up with men. Then stop eating the food I provide. Stop. In fact, go and look for a house. Prove yourself that you've grown since you can stand here and talk to me. In fact, Tochku, let this be the last time you will stand here and ask me about this rubbish.
Mama, all I know that what you are doing is not good. It's not fair. I know, but it's not fair.
Look at you.
I'm not happy.
Tochku, I know exactly what to do. I know what to do to you. Don't worry. Me messing around. It's okay.
Mama,
what you're doing is not good. If it's better, go and push and support me in this house. Not to be here and be telling me other widows, other sons. If I Tochku, don't try me, oh. Don't try me in this house. Else I'll just send you away from here. Don't worry. I know exactly what to do.
Hey, that you go to Mama to them and eat food. Before going to take a point, yo. Come here. Hey.
Where are you going to? I have a serious stomach upset. The thing has been disturbing me. What do you eat? I don't even know the particular one that I ate. I ate a lot of things, of late. So I don't know the particular one that is rioting. Some of this food combination, they can be enemies to each other. So when they jam together, they become, rioters.
So when did this start?
This thing started yesterday, but I've been taking care of it, in my own way.
Okay, and you need to, first of all, you need to buy drugs.
Yes, I will do that.
That means you will not be making it today.
No, sir. I've spoken with the DPO. So the DPO, he approved it. So that I should go and permission. Yes, I can go and take care of it. So,
don't worry. Somebody them.
It's all this that hardened criminal.
For sale.
Yes, that hardened criminal boy. That is how we used to stop. But very soon now, we'll send him to firing squad. Because,
don't worry.
All right, I'll see you.
Oh, yeah, I for collect more money from him now. For buy fuel for motor. By the way, who drive me self to that checking point? Oga, who will drive me to checking point? Okay, I'll take Okada.
Honey, this one you're back early.
Okay, there is an emergency.
Emergency?
Yes.
Hope all is well.
No, there's no problem. All is well.
Why are you carrying? What's going on? Why are you carrying your bag?
Okay.
Where are you going to?
I am going to Enugu. We have emergency police training in Enugu that will last for 3 days. So that is where I'm going.
Emergency police training?
Yes.
And you did not tell me all this why?
Well, yes, you are right. I did not tell you. As a matter of fact, the federal government just announced it. You understand? That we should all come to Enugu, all the police. We should come to Enugu for police training. That will last for 3 days. You know. So I want to rush now. Just take care of yourself, bro.
Take care of myself, you said. How will I take care of myself? Did you give me any money?
You're a young girl. Young and vibrant. Young and beautiful girl. Be creative. Be creative. Find a way, find a thing to be doing. To sort yourself. Look at your fine face. Use your fine face judiciously. Do you understand? Take care of yourself.
Take over. Take over, come. Take over, come. Take.
Don't please me.
Don't kill me. Please. I am your mother. Please don't kill me.
You are my mother.
Yes, don't kill me.
You are not my mother. I deny you today. No. If you move an inch, if you move an inch, I will cripple you.
Please.
I will kill you.
No, please. I am the only thing you have in this world.
Don't aggravate my anger now. Don't.
I'm begging you.
Don't you know what to say? I want us to end this family.
You want to know your mother?
Let me just, if I hear them from both of you again, I will just tell my mother.
Not how much she's your mother. She's your mother. If you give her police to carry you.
I'm your mother, please.
See your mother. Don't give her.
Beg you.
Please.
Just try to repeat myself again.
Don't be nice now.
Don't square. Wait, you're my son. Don't square. Don't square my son. Don't kill me. Don't square my son. Please don't kill me.
No.
Don't kill me, please.
You are not my mother.
Are you
if there is any, I will deny you. I'll never be my mother.
I love you, don't you?
Right.
What type of hallucination is this? Could this be a sign of danger?
Sure your husband is inside. Is he out?
No. Are you not aware about the 3 days police course you went for? I was even waiting to ask you why you didn't know me.
Oh my dear, I forgot. The 3 days police training that will happen in the you are now aware. I'm very much aware.
So why didn't you know me?
After their own is the first batch. So after the first batch and then the second batch, I'll be the third. So our own will be in Abuja. Then I'll go to Abuja for the third batch. Yeah, actually after today's work, I decided to come and know how you are faring. And apart from that, I have small money. I decided to give you just small money. At least to add up to the one he gave you. Your problem is my problem. And his own is my own.
Yes.
Take it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. From time to time, I'll be coming. I just want you to be happy. Come apart from government work. So take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Stay well. Let me be on my way.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Such a nice man. I just wish my husband can behave like him. Okay.
My sweetie, this one you came with your bag. I hope all is well.
Are you saying that you're not happy to see me?
I am happy, just that I'm surprised. You know, I'm always happy seeing you.
That means you don't know me very well. Because this man you're looking at, I can surprise people anyhow. You understand? I can surprise people anyhow. So that is why I have come to pay you some surprises.
Okay.
You have forgotten that you told me that your house will soon expire. So that is why I came, so that I can be able to, carry out my mission from here. Yes.
Which mission?
The mission of your house, you told me that will soon expire.
Oh.
Because of that plans that I have, I don't want anything that will distract me. My wife is full of trouble. That woman can distract anyhow. You understand?
So I said, me.
You are coolant. My wife is fire extinguisher. So I said, let me come here and stay here for the meantime, so that I can be going to work from here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. So how long are you staying?
How long am I going to stay?
Bingo, how would they run this matter now? How would they run this matter now? How would they do this thing so that everything will go down the level?
Guys,
I dey promise you, I go get that man down full time, go run am.
See, my guy, if you ask me, killing that man is not the best option.
So what will be the best option now?
Yes, sir.
Then you may the fuck up. So you go house, go talk to her.
So what will we do?
How? You see, say this particular policeman who they talk so, you need to apply diplomacy because that man so na government property be. If you na just fall on like that, you get as it go be.
Sorry, Tura. No be you they talk. No be you they talk this thing. As you they talk now, you just they cut my liver. You just they reduce time. Just they cut am anyhow. 50 naira.
Yeah, I don't they cut your liver. Now the cocoa now they yarn you so. Now what will happen now they tell you so. You no fit fall that man.
Wait, wetin this guy dey talk? She get some point for this thing she talk. She get some points. I dey read some point for this thing she talk.
See, you go house, go sit your man down, talk to her because now she dey fuck up. The only thing we go try do be say we go make this village a living hell for that policeman. We go suffer am. No be say make we kill am.
Sure.
So you go house, go talk to your male. Make you and her arrange things because now she dey fuck up. No be as you say she no give am body. Say she resist the policeman. You know what we dey talk all this kind of thing.
Wait, guys. When they talk this thing, like say now they give me sense why I take the work. I get brain. Sense they inside. The sense they work. Understand? See, you know how many times why they sit my mother down, talk to her, but they think no they enter. That one sometimes because they think say she know they use her upper.
Na because say you know they tell am well.
Who tell you?
Come. Waka come. I tell you how you go tell am.
Take up a wabaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to. I get to matter for you. I giant police officer. Take over. You get to where? Then they rob. You get to where? Then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Then they shoot like you.
Always looking sharp.
My sweetie. My sweetie.
Come here. Let me tell you what you have to do now. Henceforth, you will become Sergeant Dikeh, aka you see this thing here? This thing is not kuli. This thing is not my mind. Neither is it agidi. I want you to. Are you shocked?
Yes.
You're shocked. Well, inside here is the sum of 300,000 naira. This is, in fact, this money is going to solve your 2 years rent problem.
Hi. At least my young will step into my doormat for good 2 years.
With this money now, with this one, your landlord will become your tenant.
Thank you, my lord.
I am telling you.
This is why I love you so much. Come here.
I get matter for you. I giant police officer. Take over. You get to where?
Stop here. Is it around?
You get to where? Then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow.
Under pressure.
Under pressure. When your baby is here, come here and let's take care of you.
Under pressure.
Calm down. Sit down. Robert, come now. Come back here. What is your problem? I'm Robert. From where?
From this side, I'm coming.
Wait, calm down. You don't have to panic here with police officers.
We are officers.
Yes. What kind of car are they carrying?
What car like that?
I mean, what is the kind of gun they are using? Is it ammunition?
How many guns?
Gun.
How many guns?
Like AK-47. What kind of?
Gun.
Is it that kind of?
Coach will get up. Mama, Coach will get up.
Mama will not get up. Mama, I love you so much.
I know you love me, but just get up.
Mama, if you don't change, I'll commit suicide. And you will lose me. Mama, will you like it if you lose a child of my age?
Want to make me lose you?
Mama, stop following men. Eh? You are too old for that.
Tochko, if I stop following men, how will I take care of you and myself?
Mama, I'll take care of you. There are many ways to kill a rat. Eh, Mama? Stop following men. I even heard that the policeman that we are following has a very young, beautiful wife. Mama, how can you be sharing a man with a girl who is old enough to be your daughter? Mama?
Thank God it's my 8th year. I can't let him go just like that.
You can't let him go just like that?
Yes, it's my 8th year.
Good. Mama, you will live to regret this.
What is it? Tochko, please don't do this. Please.
Mama.
Tochko, I love you.
I cannot.
Please, my son, I love you. Please. I beg you, please. Your mother loves you, please. Don't do this. Don't do this, please. Okay? I will stop. I will stop. I love my son. I will stop dating men. All my attention will be on you. Sorry. I'm sorry, my son.
This police work, nobody's supposed to carry it on his head. Because if you die, government will just forget your family. Just like that. Hello, Maureen?
Hello, my love. Are you not coming back today?
No, I'm not coming back today. I still have like 4 days to spend.
Hey, what happened now? Why?
The government just extended this thing to another 4 days. Yeah, so I will spend another 4 days before I come back.
Okay.
Maureen, let me call you back. I'm in a lecture hall. See, I'm talking small now. Let me just call you back. No?
Yeah, now take care of yourself, okay? Okay, bye.
Oga, take your bag and leave. You don't have any portion here again.
British tomato, British mango. Are you listening to your son?
Stop calling her that name. She's not your mate. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are running after a woman who is old enough to be your mother. Why you have a beautiful young wife at home? Eh?
What is going on here? You're not saying anything. My baby.
See, I have been respecting your uniform. But if you don't want me to lose it, don't call her. Don't call my mother baby again. In fact, take your bag and leave.
Hey, this is a setup. I can't believe my eyes.
Thank God. Please, I beg you in the name of God, go back to your wife. She needs you more than I do. See, whatever we had in the past, let's just put it behind us. Please. From now on, I will see you as a son and a good friend. Please.
Are you serious? My salary. Checking point money.
See, it's better you realize your mistakes now and make haste while it is still day.
All the checking point money that I've been giving you. My salary. My love. How could you just abandon what we had? You just abandoned me without giving me a good notice. No, please, can you talk to him?
Who is your father? Don't you know your father?
Please, I beg you. Stop. Please.
You should have given me a quick notice.
If I will be relocating with my son to Calabar,
Okay.
I will go there and start my life all over again. Please.
Hey!
Bye-bye.
Think of a wapaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get matter for you. I giant police officer. Think of a, you get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, can't know that. Mobilize your men for this job, you know, girl. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, Amraba. Think about mobilize your men, no, Dikeh fata. Amuonye, Amraba. Mobilize your men, no, Dikeh fata. Amuonye, Amraba. Think about mobilize your men, no, see me sing. Amuonye, Amraba.
All the checking point money. All the checking point money. It's okay.
Think of a wapaka, police officer. I throw away salute to you.
All the checking point money.
Think of a wapaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get matter for you. Talk and make I hear. I giant police officer. Think of a, you get to where, then they rob. Talk and make I hear. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Talk and make I hear. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, can't know that. Mobilize your men for this job, you know, girl. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, Amraba. Think about mobilize your men, no, Dikeh fata. Amuonye, Amraba. Mobilize your men, no, Dikeh fata. Amuonye, Amraba. Think about mobilize your men, no, see me sing. Amuonye, Amraba.
It's me, oh, it's Joy. Good afternoon. Can you help me? Okay, I'm just coming back from the market and discovered that my class just finished. So can you help me with it? Just got so many class. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. No problem. You're such a nice. Thank you.
Don't bother returning me to tomorrow. I won't be reading it today. Brianna, enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Oni! How?
I'm sorry, my husband.
Onyadu! Junior officer! If you had done this with my DPO, I would have tolerated. Junior officer, like Onyadu, you had the effrontery to remove your wrapper for him to enter. How? He entered.
No.
Matthew. Okay. Please get Corporal Onyaju arrested immediately and put him behind the bar. Just lock him up. You and some other officers can do that. Just do that right away. Thank you. You got more from me.
I know I am not worthy to be called your wife anymore. I have disgraced myself, my family, and the congregation that attended our wedding. Oh, please, I beg you. I know you arrest me for this, which I have done. But just give me this one last chance. Let me take my bag to my family's house, at least. Let them see me for the last time. Please, I beg you.
My wife, I'm sorry. You're worthy of being you're worthy to be my wife, and I'm sorry for everything that I've done to you. I have been the one who have wronged you a long time. I've done all sort of abominable things that I'm not even supposed to be called your husband. All this while I
don't understand. What do you mean?
I'm sorry to say this, that all this while that I've always told you I'm on night duty, I have actually been wasting my time around a concubine, a woman who is old enough to be my mother, and I have come to realize that I've been wallowing in sin and doing all sort of things against you, against our love and against our marriage. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Think of a Wabaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get a matter for you. I giant police officer. Think of a, you get to where, then they rob. You get to where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit to handle them. Then they shoot like tomorrow, no day. Come closer, get no dial. Mobilize your men for this job, we no go. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, guide your father. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Mobilize your men, guide your father. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think about mobilize your men, I'll see me again. Amuonye, I'm a rubber. Think of a Wabaka, police officer. I throw away salute to Waka. Think of a Wabaka, federal police officer. I throw away salute to you. I get matter for you. Talk and make I hear. A giant police officer, think about. You get where, then they rob. Talk and make I hear. You get where, then they rob. As for police officer, now you go fit handle them. Talk and make I hear. Then they shoot like tomorrow no day. Come closer, can't no dial. Mobilize your men for this job we no go. Think about the Amraba, they shoot that gun. Amuonye, I'm rubber. Think about mobilize your men.